Hi, I'd like to speak with you today about psychotherapy and my particular brand of psychotherapy, which I call Enlightened Talk and Touch. Nowadays, two things that I see quite a lot of are anxiety, reported anxiety, and depression. And considering all the adaptations that we have to make personally as children growing up, and then the adaptation to a society that we've all created that is moving so quickly, where pressures, economic, social, and otherwise, seem so huge, it's not unusual for people to shut down. And the nervous system is taking in way more stimulation than it's able to release and push out, which is why my practice consists of not only conversing, but of body work, breath practice, yoga philosophy and practices, because we are all dealing with too much. People come in for therapy because they have reached some kind of blockage in their life. Something's not going right. A relationship just doesn't seem to be working out. Somebody has a goal or something that they feel they want very much, and they're just not reaching it. They feel blocked. And people come in really not knowing why these things are happening to them. So really what we do together is, in a very safe, paced way, is we just explore and do some detective work in a very gentle way, some archaeological digs, and over time, with a feeling of attention and attentiveness from the therapist, and the person learning how to be more attentive to themselves, things start to expand. The person may go from like a very contracted, shut down state to a more open, positive, curious, exploring state. And that's what we're looking for. Rather than fear, curiosity. Oh, okay, now I understand. Okay, this is what's happening. You can see a person over time calm, lighten up. I'm not saying it's all easy. I often say to people, it's not like you've just gone out to watch a movie or something, which could be okay at some point for emotional release. I think it's work, but it's work that can be done in a safe and sometimes very enjoyable way. And that's what I am here to offer. Thank you.